All right, let's have number 4. If 5 workers can finish a job in 12 days, how many days will it take 8 workers to finish the same job? So this one is somehow a bit tricky because sometimes we use direct proportion, diba? If it's like 5 is to 12, then what is 8 is to something. And in this case kasi, in reality, when we have fewer workers, it means mas madami dapat yung days na matatapos nila yung specific job. And kapag mas madami yung workers, mas konti yung number of days na matatapos nila. So, inverse proportion siya. Now, in this case, if 5 workers can finish a job in 12 days, let's get the total amount of work that should be done. That is 5 workers times 12 days. Kasi 12 days yung tinake ng each worker to finish a specific job. So that is 5 times 12. That is 60. So this is the total amount of work. Okay? Now, for this same amount of work, if nag-hire sa employer ng 8 workers, so ilang days na lang yung ititake? That is 60 divided by 8, which is 7.5. So instead of 12 days na 5 lang yung workers niya, dinamihan niya yung workers, mas kumonte yung number of days. And naging 7.5 days na lang.